Are you kidding?
She loves
Not
it.
ever. She seriously has gained like 2 pounds in the last day. This is ridiculous.
Her belly is so big.
You must shy.
Bobblehead at this
She's
point,
so
really.
smart,
Her belly
a
is
little
so
Miss
big.
George.
What is she doing? She's
My phone is dead. I need to charge my phone so I
Oh
can take a
my
photo.
gosh.
There's a charger right
Which
there.
one
Which
of you is
going
gonna
to
have
have
the
first
first
baby?
She does not look real.
She
What do you?
loves shoulder massages. She's the most relaxed kitten I've ever seen.
No, all out of all of us.
You for sure.
Why?
That's an
So that means absolutely nothing.
For what?
I'm trying to figure out who's gonna have first baby.
She is.
It's not gonna be.
What do you mean?
I'm not pregnant. Stop it.
Oh my gosh, Drew and Jillian are pregnant.
No, we're not
Drew and
pregnant.
Jillian's baby 2013.
No,
Oh.
2013.
Tweet it.
No.
We need to create a marketable nickname.
More like
between the two of you now.
2020.
Oh my god.
Kitty massage.
Oh,
Give
oh.
it to me. I want